Typically, a user would log in to every web service with a distinct username and password. Wait a second, we don't have to do that because we're using single sign-on. In this case, we're using JumpCloud with the service provider being Perimeter 81. JumpCloud's integrated MFA and zero trust security controls. The user perspective is fairly simple. Once the user is logged in, they see what they would typically see for their role. Alternatively, we may load the JumpCloud User Console. The User Console has the benefit of making phishing attacks more difficult because each service is an applet that resides within the console. Here, we're being authenticated in. We're proving who we are, who we say we are. And now we're redirected to Perimeter 81. It's that simple.
Please subscribe and check out more content from us.